My main focus over the last few months as an investor has been my crypto exit strategy. After investing in this space for 7 years, this is my third crypto cycle. Long story short, my first cycle went badly as my 6,000 invested went up to £30,000, then back down, and I pretty much lost it all. Fast forward to 2021 and I was able to cash out tens of thousands of pounds. So a big improvement. And as we start 2025, my third cycle is ongoing, and how I'm approaching this bull market will be the main focus of today's video. One of the main questions I've had to ask myself as I consider my exit strategy are what are my crypto goals for 2025. This is so important as an investor. Now I used to think goal setting was a bit weird, a bit out there. Let's take my negative decade, for example. Between 2008 and 2018, I was a below average investor if I'm being honest, and made far too many mistakes. One of the contributing factors was that I had no goals and therefore a total lack of direction. But since getting into much needed personal development in mid 2018, things have improved. I set goals including financial goals at the end of 2018, and things have improved for me massively as an investor over the last few years. Let me ask you this as a crypto investor or potential crypto investor. If you don't have crypto goals or investing goals in general, how do you know when to cash out? If you don't set goals, you're going to get greedy. You'll try and time the market top, miss it, and then watch as your altcoins drop by 80 or even 90%. I know this because I've experienced it firsthand and it's very painful. Okay, so hopefully I've driven home the point that setting goals is important for us investors. To provide you with as much value as possible, I'll split this video into 4 parts. So get the video watched, take some notes, and learn how setting crypto goals can help you to maximize your profits in a bull market. Part 1, the emotional roller coaster of a bull market. Let's be honest, bull markets can make you feel unstoppable. Prices are skyrocketing and you're thinking, I'm going to be a millionaire. But here's the thing, the same emotions that make you excited can lead to bad decisions. Here are some of the key emotional challenges in a bull market. 1 is FOMO, fear of missing out. When everyone's talking about the next 10x coin, it's tempting to jump in late, often at the peak, and this is going to go tits up. 2 is greed. You've hit a 5x gain, but instead of taking profits, you hold on, hoping for a 10x or even more. Then the market turns and you lose it all. I've been there and got this t-shirt, as I've said. Trust me, it's not a nice feeling. 3 is panic selling. A quick dip in the market makes you question everything and you sell for a loss, only to see the price rebound shortly after. Real life example, let's take the 2017 bull market. Bitcoin hit $20,000 for the first time, but many people refused to sell because they believed it would go straight to $100,000. The result, a brutal crash and years of regret for those who didn't take profits. Don't listen to every crypto influencer. Take all the info you consume, including this video, with a pinch of salt and learn about the 4-year crypto cycle. This will help you make informed, logical decisions, which is key for any successful investor. See below for a video that goes into detail about my experience of 3 crypto cycles. I have a feeling it will be a big help to you over the next 12 months. Part 2, what happens without goals? Imagine this, you buy a few coins during a bear market, the bull market arrives and your portfolio grows 3x, 5x or even 10x, but you don't have a plan. What happens next? From my experience, it goes tits up and you lose some or all of your money. This is what happens without goals. 1 is selling too early. You panic and sell at the first sign of a dip, only to see the price double the next week. Without goals, you don't know when to hold or sell. 2 is hodling too long. The opposite can also happen. You ride the hype wave, believing prices will climb forever. Then the bubble bursts and all your unrealized gains vanish. 3 is random investment. Without a strategy, you'll start chasing every single crypto project that's trending. This can lead to over diversification or investing in scams and rubbish meme coins. During the 2021 bull market, altcoins like Dogecoin surged thousands of percent. People bought at the top thinking it would just keep going up, only to lose 80 to 90% of their investment when the hype cooled off. Learn and understand the cryptos you invest into. And if you feel like you need extra help and support, you can join my premium community on School, where I give you literally all of my crypto experience in one place. See below for the link and see what you think. Part 3, setting crypto goals the right way. Here is a step-by-step guide for setting goals. Set a profit target for each asset. Before investing, decide how much return you're aiming for. For example, if you buy Bitcoin at $100,000, you might set targets to sell at 25% of your holdings at $110,000, another 25% at $120,000, and so on. This staggered approach ensures you lock in profits while leaving room for further upside. Know your risk tolerance. How much are you willing to lose if the market goes south? Write this down. For instance, set a stop loss order at 20% below your entry price to protect your initial capital. Plan reinvestment versus cashing out. What's your end game? Will you convert to stable coins, reinvest in other promising cryptos, or cash out to fiat to secure life-changing gains? In case you didn't know, fiat currency is pounds or dollars or whatever money you use in your country. Personally, my first priority is to cash out into fiat currency to help me with my life goals. Fingers crossed, this will mean things like paying our mortgage off in the home we live in. I like to keep maybe 20% in stable coins during a bull market, so I'm ready to buy back in during the next bear market. This is how I'm thinking at the start of 2025. Track everything. Use tools like Blockfolio, CoinMarketCap, or a custom spreadsheet to monitor your holdings, targets, and profits. This removes guesswork and keeps you accountable. I only have between 10 and 15 positions, so I can use an old-fashioned spreadsheet. This is simple, but this is how I like to keep my investing. Very simple and very stress-free. Just to remind you that this video, this channel in general, doesn't contain any financial advice. Part 4, why goals maximize profit in a bull market. The advantages of goal setting. A bull market isn't just about buying, it's about selling at the right time. Goals help you capitalize on gains without succumbing to greed. They give you clarity in chaotic market. When everyone else is panicking, you'll already know exactly what to do because you've planned ahead. Benefits of incremental selling. By selling in stages, you reduce risk while still enjoying potential upside. Even if prices keep rising, after you sell, you've already secured profit along the way. I aim to DCA dollar cost average out of the market in Q1 of 2025. After I've taken maybe 40% or even 60% out, the pressure is off and I can enjoy the rest of the bull market and focus more on helping other investors in my school communities. 4-year cycle strategy. This is what you need to do if you want to make the most out of crypto. Think in 4-year cycles. Smart investors set aside profits during bull runs to reinvest during bear markets. When prices are low, so you're talking 2026 from here for the next bear market, this is how you multiply your wealth over multiple cycles. Summary. From all the info I've shared today, I will be incrementally selling in Q1 of 2025, as I've already touched on. This is mainly to help me with some of my life goals, like buying both of my daughters a car, helping them with university fees, and if the bull market goes well, I'll look to pay our mortgage off. I'll be looking at what's going on each day, each week, like monitoring the M2 money supply to gauge where we are in the current market cycle. But what if you're not sure what to look for? Well, if you look below, again, I have another video to help you maximize your profits. But this video covers what exactly to look for so you know where we are in the bull market. And this will help you decide on when to start taking profits. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to keep fully updated as we move into 2025. Let me know in the comments below what's your strategy for taking profits in 2025. This sort of info will help other investors out who need a bit of help and support.